Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I have a super easy, delicious and healthy recipe for you. Zucchini, eggplant and hummus pita pizza. This Mediterranean inspired dish is packed with a flavor loaded with fresh veggies and comes together in just minutes. Plus it's a vegetarian and full of nutrients. So let's get started and make this amazing pita pizza together. So for this recipe, I'm making this for 2 people. So I'm using half zucchini, small dice. I'm using half eggplant and I'm cutting eggplants into round shape, and then I'm using a dice shape, or like you can do like a half shape. So to season all these vegetables, I'm using a baking sheet and I'm adding olive oil, ground cumin powder, cayenne pepper, sumac, aleppo pepper, sesame seeds, and salt as per your taste. Then mix all the vegetables together. Add eggplant first and cook them 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, add zucchini and cook another 2 to 3 minutes. Keep it aside. For pizza topping, I'm using a half onion, brush pita bread with olive oil around the corners, front and back side. So for the pizza layer, I'm using a hummus spread all over the pita bread, but just make sure don't spread over the corner. Now put zucchini and eggplant layer on top of the hummus layer. Add onions on top. Add olive oil on top of the layer. Preheat the oven at 400 Fahrenheit and bake it for 12 to 15 minutes or until hot. Sprinkle some oregano and red chili flakes. For extra creaminess and flavor, I am spreading tahini paste on top. More oregano. Lettuce on top. And there you have it, a delicious, crispy and flavorful zucchini hummus pita pizza. It's so easy to make, packed with fresh ingredients and perfect for any meal. If you tried, let me know in the comments how it turned out. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious and easy recipes. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video.